So you should keep in mind that Maya is a very complex piece of software, and it requires time and patience to learn where all the functions for the tools are in building your 3D model. So when you first start Maya, you'll have a window that opens up that has very short tutorials. You should go through and look at each of these tutorials. The first being how to create objects and how to move around these objects and how to alter the inputs on the objects. And Maya in particular deals with two surface types, one being polygons, polygonal objects, and the other being NURBS, are non-uniform rational B-splines. And these are very, very different from one another. Polygons being rather at the root of it just rigid faces joined by edges. NURBS, on the other hand, is a very smooth surface type that's defined by Bezier curves. So the Bezier curve that controls the surface, the direction of the surface, you know it's going to be extremely smooth and without any edges or faceting. And typically NURBS is used for such things as designing automobiles, designing aircraft, something that needs a smooth aerodynamic skin like aircraft or cars benefits greatly from the use of NURBS. The third movie is how to move, rotate, and scale your 3D models, and that's very important to have that skill, those skills. And the fourth movie being selecting objects, and also the components or parts of objects, and that's typical workflow actually for 3D modeling, is using the pieces that make up the whole to help you alter and change the model in a efficient manner. Number 5 is reshaping and editing objects using the menus that are very prevalent. There are lots of menus, lots of windows in Maya. And number 6 is also uncovering more features. If there's one thing Maya has, it's lots and lots of features. Tools on top of tools, features underneath features, and you'll see that actually, though, just with a few fundamental controls that you can master, we can very quickly start to build very competent 3D models and get going with that. And so look forward to our first actual constructive lesson of building something in the 3D space, and that's coming right up. Again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me through Angel or directly through my email.